If you want to change your always-on display clock style on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your wallpaper and style section. So first of all, keep in mind that your always-on display clock is exactly the same clock which is on your lock screen. So in order to change your always on display clock, you have to change your clock on your lock screen. So choose your lock screen, tap on the clock and press style. So here you can see different clock styles, right? So choose the desired one. I'll go with this one. You can choose whether to show which is there information or not, show date above the clock or not. You can choose the font and color. You want it to be thin or bold, and you can choose, as I already said, the colors. You can set up some cool gradient, or you can go with some standard one. I'll go with some gradient. Now press done at the top right corner, and basically that's it. Now if we're gonna open up our lock screen AUD section and check our always on display, as you see, the clock has changed. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.